Hi guys, it's Yang. Today I wanted to show you something that can be really useful for camping. This is CampX from DYU, a foldable electric wagon. When I first saw this, what I liked the most was that even though it's electric, it's not too bulky. It's four-way foldable, so it becomes pretty compact and much easier to store and load into your car. The structure is also very impressive. Usually, wagons have stronger bottom frame, but the top and side frames are often weaker, but this one feels solid all around. So you can carry heavier or bigger gear on top and still move it safely. The max load capacity is 770 pounds, which is about 350 kilograms. So yes, you can really load this thing up. And it locks into place really securely when it's fully open. No shaking, no wobbling. There's also a magnetic lock on the side that keeps it closed during storage or transport. The wagon has an IPX5 waterproof rating and frame is made of 6061 aluminum, so it should have no problem being used while raining. Now the main feature, the electric motor. Since DYU makes electric bikes, the motor used on this wagon has very high specs. Wagon has a 1200 watt high torque brushless hub motor, so it's powerful and runs efficiently. You can even use it on hills, which is great if your campsite isn't perfectly flat. Because of the strong motor and solid frame, it's not just used for carrying gear, but you can also attach the cart behind it and haul it, or even ride it yourself. For riding, the recommended weight is about 88 to 242 pounds, and the height should be over 4'7". The range is around 12 miles with heavier weight, and up to about 18 miles with the lighter weight. The top speed is around 7.5 miles per hour, which I think is great for camping because it feels more controlled. It also has both electronic and physical brakes, so it feels very safe to use. The detachable battery is located in the back of the wagon, and charging takes about 3 hours. The controller is simple and easy to use. You can see your speed and mode on the display. There are two modes here. First one is the towing mode. When you just want to move gear, press and hold this button. The screen will rotate and show T mode. Press the lever to move and the motor will do the work. It automatically stops when you release the lever. Second one is the riding mode. The right lever controls the speed and the left is the brake. There is also a reverse button. Just press it and it'll go backward. Overall, this is a product that can be used as a cargo wagon and a personal ride. If you bring a lot of equipment, or if your campground is far from the parking lot, this will come in very handy. I'll put a link below if you want to check it out with the discount code. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!